Her makeup and stuff was cool in that movie though.
Shit.
What?
Gotta move the other way. What?
I'm like, I'm ready to grab things and run.
I know. I'm just gonna rest. I'm ready to like kick people in the eyeballs.
With those shoes, hell yeah.
Kick 'em off.
Shatter their skulls. Oh, that's a great pose you got down
Thanks.
there.
It's cozier this way. That's my bed.
No. No butts here. Bless you? Oh,
Let me see something. Testing.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ooh, that's cool.
Is it?
I think it is.
I think the light is nice.
I'm glad it needs your approval. Ready? Okay. Let's get into this. You're close to take
God,
off.
son of a bitch. When you move, I will move.
Do you need your position? No.
Ready?
I'll let you know. The wheels are retarded.
Yeah, they move.
It's a conveyor belt.
Yeah.
It's meant to move things, not stand on.
You'll be feeling this tomorrow.
Oh god, yeah.
Right?
Phrasing?
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh yeah. Bow, bow.
I was just gonna start to cueing the 70s porn music.
I hate you.
Where's our shaggy rug?
Is our positioning looking flattered?
It's looking very cool.
Shit, why did my strap popped?
We're taking it off.
No, we're gonna do a corset first.
Okay, so take corset.
It's okay if that
It's
actually
okay.
popped off then, right? Because you're stripping naked.
You're stripping naked now. Alright, so now?
I can grab it. Okay.
Okay, so.
She's gonna finish the
Well,
job.
the whole point of it being invisible is for it to not be into your thing.
Ah, so.
This the one?
So a big kiss. Yeah, then just tuck it in.
Okay, and now what I want you to do is. Now you've been on your back the whole time. Now you're leaning forward to do the Ivy kiss.
Okay.
With us, the left leg, the palm, the pheromones, for sexy stuff.
Sexy, sexy.
Should we move farther on to the
Her
a little
palm.
bit, see you more?
Maybe.
For
You got any more things in there for poison ivy?
Hold my foot on it.
Kisses?
I'm moving like a thing would.